There are the elevators. We're at the Courtyard Marriott at Miami Airport, and we're going to do a room review on 4521. This is the key. You just put the key on there, the lights turn on, and in we go. So we're going to do a full review. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. At the end of the video, we talk about our stay. So when you come in, you've got the closet, you've got a luggage rack, ironing board, iron, few coat hangers, storage up above, and storage down below. This is emergency escape information. If in the event you needed to evacuate, you would come out of the room and go right, and there's a stairway down that way. You've got the temperature control, AC or heat. You've got 2 end tables, king-size bed, and let's take a look at what we got for utilities. We've got 2 plugs. We've got 2 USBs on the clock. We've got a plug on the light. We've got storage, and we got the Book of Mormon. Nice. Oh, let me get that out of there. Storage down below. We'll come over here. There are no USBs on this side. There's telephone, plug, US plug, storage, the Holy Bible, and storage down below. Now this is pretty cool. You got a nice couch area here, and it's a nice little place to be sitting and watching the TV. Awesome. All right, well, let's see what else we got here. We got a refrigerator. Like I said, stay tuned to the end of the video. We talk about our complete stay. Wonder what the switch goes to. Oh, it goes to those lights. Okay. And then you've got 2 outlets here at the desk. What's cool about this desk is this chair rolls out and this desk rolls out. So theoretically, if you wanted to have 2 working spaces, you can move the desk over there and you can pull another chair up over here and you have 2 desks. So that's pretty cool. We'll try to use that. We've got a TV. We've got storage, and there's an extra pillow in here. And we got storage with extra bedding. So that's the desk area. The kind of living area, I would call it, with the couch and a love seat and the bed. So it's kind of nice arrangement. Then you've got a bar set up here. Coffee for in the morning. And you have more storage and a safe. Let's see if there's any money in there. No money in there. All right, let's take a look at the bathroom. All right, we have granite countertops. We have lotion. We have soap, hand cloth, face cloth, tissues, 2 towels. And we have here body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Handicap rail, extra toilet paper, and storage with a blow dryer. All right. We're going to head out and check out the happy hour here. We'll let you know about that. Well, they've got a little snack area if you want to get snacks right outside the check-in. Check-in's right there on the other side. There's check-in. We're going to Champions. Eat, drink, and sports. 4 to 7. Happy hour is 4 to 7. All right, here we go. Try our cucumber mint martini. Let's do it. Please wait to be seated. Nice place, huh? They're open usually between 10:30 and 11, depending on how busy they are. The menu's cool. It's electronic, like iPad menu. And you can get right to the happy hour. Happy hour right there, 4 to 7. And these are the cocktails. What I'm going to is I am going to the draft beer. 16-ounce draft beer for $6. Yeah, I'll give that a shot. And look at the appetizers for happy hour. So we'll try some appetizers. I'm thinking buffalo wings, but we'll see. And let's take a look at more of the place here. So you got sports. It's a sports bar, so you got TVs everywhere and all kinds of sports are playing. So we're excited about it right here in the hotel.
they had me at the door because they advertised a cucumber mint martini. I'm like, that sounded so good. So vodka mint. So that's what I'm gonna get. It's over here. Cucumber mint martini. Vodka, cucumber, mint, ginger to wake your taste buds.
For $10.
Yep.
All
So
right.
I'm gonna go with that. Michael's gonna have a beer.
I'm going with a Yingling.
Yingling beer, and
$6.
And we're gonna split the chicken tenders and chips and salsa.
All right, that sounds great. Let's bring it on. There's all the condiments right here at the table. Here she comes.
This is literally the best cocktail ever.
Did you hear that? The best
Delicious.
cocktail.
Yes.
Look at that.
Thank you.
Check it out. And I got my Yingling. Cheers.
Delicious.
Check out these seating areas. You can kind of sit here and watch the game, watch TV. This is their lobby. Phone chargers. It's Christmas time. So right here's the lobby area. There's elevators here, but those aren't the elevators to the room. If you go this way, this is where you're heading past the little market area they have. This elevator over here, B elevators, yep. B elevators will take us right to our room. All right, here's the window view. And you're really looking at a wall. And the room itself is kind of dark, but if you look at an angle, you can see the pool, the courtyard area. They've got a little human-sized chessboard out there. And window's a little dirty, but this is the view from your window, this wall, which didn't bother us, but the room itself is dark. All right, we are at the point where we do our full review of our tour for the Courtyard Marriott at Miami Airport. You want to go first? You want me to go first?
I think you can go first.
I'll go first. I love the location. I love the amenities. One of the amenities is once you land in Miami Airport, they have a free shuttle that'll pick you up from the airport and bring you to the hotel.
It's very convenient. You just walk outside from baggage claim. There's a couple of different doors. You just have to make sure that you flag them down. There's no designated stop. So when you see them coming along, you just flag them down and they pull over.
Absolutely. And if you happen to be a cruise passenger, this is kind of cool because you get to the hotel for free. And then at that point, you could use the hotel. They have a service. I think it's a little pricey. Or you can use an Uber to get to the cruise port. Or you can use an Uber if you're doing something else other than a cruise.
Correct.
Okay. You want me to keep going?
You can keep going.
All right. I'm on fire. I had walked outside the hotel looking for something to do some shopping. It was a little bit of a walk, maybe a 20-minute walk to, there was a big shopping mall. So it's from a walking standpoint, you can get out, you can walk around, and you can find things to buy.
Yeah, I think that close by was like a Walgreens, maybe a CVS, I think, Target, and I know Publix. And, you know, some of those places will actually do like a DoorDash or something like that, so you can get things delivered if you don't want to make the walk yourself.
Exactly. So do you want me to keep going, or you want to jump in with something that you have on your review of the room?
No, I'll just jump in as needed. Keep going.
Right, I'm going, baby. I am on fire. Let's get to the room. The lighting of the room, I thought, was extremely poor.
Yes, I would agree. There was no overhead lighting, so it was just a few places. But if you're really just using it to sleep, I don't think it's bad. But we like to do a little bit of work, so it was a little difficult. And I'll also mention that, you know, usually we open the window or the blinds for the window natural light to come through, and unfortunately this one was like tucked inside, so we didn't have direct sunlight. So that was something else that was interesting about the view. It wasn't bad, it was interesting, a wall, but it actually made it even darker in the room.
I think it did. I don't think it helped.
Correct.
The shower water pressure, I thought it was extremely soft. It wasn't very strong at all. It was kind of like I don't know. I got this thing about water pressure in the shower. I really do. I mean, the water pressure was not. It wasn't a lot.
Strong. Wasn't strong.
Yeah, it wasn't strong. Wasn't strong. The other thing is, if you're preparing to get in the shower, I would extremely advise to turn the temperature on all the way to hot. Wait a good 5 minutes before it comes up to temperature. Then adjust the temperature. It takes a while to get up to temperature. This here is what they would call like a rain spray, and then you can adjust it to more of a stream spray or an in-between spray. So there you have it. Oh, and the shampoo and the soap were amazing, and the lotion was amazing. Coffee in the room was nice. I would look at it, make sure you have regular coffee if that's what you want, or decaf coffee. We were heavy on decaf, light on regular.
Yeah, there's just a few packets of each one. So I'll jump in right now, and I'll say one more thing that I thought was a great amenity is the downstairs in the lobby area. They had both a small little marketplace if you wanted to get a few little items for snacks if you came in late. But if not, they also had a nice little sports bar, drink as well as food items on the happy hour special, but the regular menu looked really good as well. So it was a good space. It was a decent size, friendly staff. I think that's a plus for anyone coming in on a flight that is looking for a bite to eat afterwards, which we were. Yeah. And they've got a good business section, and they've got another section where you could have, they have these little individual booths in the lobby area. You could sit and watch TV. Their lobby is really nice. Really nice. I think there's a lot of amenities that make it very useful for people that are using it in between or coming late night from the airport. Mm-hmm. So this is where I ask you, would you stay there again? Absolutely. I think I would. I think I would as well if I was only staying for one day. Yeah, I think that it's not the type of a hotel that I would stay at if I were just looking for a vacation holiday, hotel staycation or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, the only reason I wouldn't stay there longer than a day is just the lighting was so bad and the shower pressure really irritated me. But I love the lobby. I love the restaurant down there. I think it's called Champions. It was amazing, and the location was good. And I would also say they do have an outdoor pool. We did not go down to the outdoor pool. The room did sort of overlook the pool. When you were at the window, you could look down to the left and you could see the pool. But like I said before, you're kind of facing a wall, which was kind of strange. But the pool area looked really nice. So I would stay there as well. Matter of fact, we're looking at going back for one day because we're getting on a cruise. And we're going to look at doing adjoining rooms because we have our grandkids coming with us. That's right, yes. So even though the lighting was and the water pressure was the free shuttle and the closeness to the port come in handy as a cruise passenger. I would agree. All right. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. And if you like this video, please subscribe. This is where I say ciao for now. We'll see you soon.